Hello everyone, welcome back to me on the Innovative Farming Machinery channel, where you will experience the most modern agricultural machinery in the world, serving agricultural production, an industry modern agriculture of the 21st century. Today will be the appearance of the Fendt Ideal 10T Complete Harvest. Fendt Ideal 10T, a revolution in modern agricultural harvesting. Agricultural technology has taken a significant leap forward with the introduction of the Fendt Ideal 10T combine harvester. This state-of-the-art machine represents the pinnacle of modern farming equipment, combining innovation, efficiency, and reliability to meet the demands of contemporary agriculture. At the core of the Fendt Ideal 10T is a powerful 790 horsepower MAN engine. This high-performance engine is paired with a state-of-the-art transmission system that ensures smooth and efficient power delivery, allowing the harvester to operate effectively even under demanding conditions. Cutting-edge technology. The Fendt Ideal 10T is equipped with a range of advanced technologies designed to enhance productivity and precision in the field. One of the standout features is its Ideal Harvest trademark system, which uses a network of sensors and cameras to monitor crop flow and grain quality in real time. This data is used to automatically adjust the machine's settings, ensuring optimal performance and minimal grain loss throughout the harvesting process. Powerful performance. At the heart of the Fendt Ideal 10T is its high-performance engine, which delivers an impressive 790 horsepower. This power, combined with a highly efficient transmission system, allows the harvester to operate smoothly and efficiently, even in the most challenging field conditions. The machine's large grain tank and fast unloading system further enhance its productivity, reducing downtime and increasing overall efficiency. Ideal Harvest TM system. A key feature of the Fendt Ideal 10T is the Ideal Harvest TM system. This innovative technology utilizes a network of sensors and cameras to monitor crop flow and grain quality in real time. The system automatically adjusts the harvester's settings to optimize performance and reduce grain loss, ensuring a high-quality harvest. Threshing and separation. The harvester is equipped with the dual helix threshing system, which uses two large, slow-rotating rotors to gently separate grain from straw. This system is designed to handle a wide variety of crops with minimal damage, preserving the quality of the harvested grain. The large separation area ensures efficient processing, even at high throughput levels. Superior comfort and control. Fendt has designed the Ideal 10T with the operator in mind. The spacious cab is equipped with ergonomic controls and an intuitive interface, making it easy to operate and monitor the harvester's performance. The cab's advanced climate control system and comfortable seating ensure that operators can work long hours without fatigue, maintaining high levels of productivity throughout the day. Grain tank and unloading system. The Fendt Ideal 10T features a massive 71,100-liter grain tank, one of the largest in its class. This capacity allows for extended harvesting periods without the need for frequent unloading. When unloading is necessary, the high-speed unloading auger can empty the tank in just a few minutes, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. sustainable farming. In addition to its performance and efficiency, the Fendt Ideal 10T is also designed with sustainability in mind. The machine's fuel-efficient engine and advanced emission control systems help to minimize its environmental impact, making it an ideal choice for farmers who are committed to sustainable practices. Furthermore, the harvester's precision farming capabilities enable more efficient use of resources, reducing waste and promoting environmentally friendly farming methods. Versatility and adaptability. The Fendt Ideal 10T is incredibly versatile, capable of handling a wide range of crops and field conditions. Its advanced threshing and separation systems ensure that it can harvest various types of grains with minimal damage, preserving crop quality and maximizing yield. The machine's adaptability makes it an excellent investment for farmers who need a reliable and efficient solution for diverse agricultural operations. Cab and operator comfort. The operator's cab on the Fendt Ideal 10T is designed for maximum comfort and ease of use. It includes ergonomic controls and an intuitive interface that make it easy to monitor and adjust the harvester's settings. The cab is also equipped with advanced climate control and comfortable seating, ensuring that operators can work long hours without fatigue. Conclusion: the Fendt Ideal 10T Combine Harvester is a game-changer in modern agriculture. Its combination of cutting-edge technology, powerful performance, superior comfort and sustainability make it a standout choice for farmers looking to enhance their productivity and efficiency. As agricultural demands continue to grow, the Fendt Ideal 10T stands ready to meet these challenges, setting a new standard in the field of agricultural harvesting equipment.